Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on circle parts worksheet. On the next two slides, I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the circle. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. Okay, the next slide we'll have a look now. Here we have the worksheet with a number of parts to it, and you'll notice that the answers are on the next slide. I'll leave this on for a short while before I move on to the answers. You can pause it for as long as you like while you answer these questions. And here is the next slide now, which has the answers. I'll leave that on for a short while before we move on. You can pause this for as long as you like to check your answers. I'll move on to the next slide now. So by providing the rap song about the circle, Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music. And I will now move on to the last slide.